Gee, well, it's been a long time since Sonic and his friends are like looking some things for celebrating for you guys.
Well, yeah, yes, of course. It does like that they could about that. Is it totally about, isn't that right, babe?
Yes, I know, Freddy, but I just know wondering about them they could.
What? Sonic? He's my best friend.
No, I think Sonic is my best friend.
He's my best friend.
My best friend.
My best friend! Okay, you two, stop. All of us, we're gonna be friends. Best friends, all of us. Okay.
Alright then. Gee, I wondered something. But Knuckles, he's like greatest. Well, you no wonder. Emily, please. Come on, you know about that.
Yeah, come on, sis, you would. Yeah, Poppy, you know how long it's been taking for those guys?
Yeah, it's just wondering. Oh, I wish I could log in with Scrapbook.
Don't even think about glitters.
Glitters? Well, I do love glitters, huh? Yeah. Anyways, I'll be right back for a second. See ya.
Huh, okay then. I wonder if she's fine up it. Yeah. Fine up it. So, that's nice you've been waiting for.
Ah! Oh my god! Look!
What? What is it? Oh!
What?
Wait, is that...
It's another hedgehog!
Oh no. So, you guys about... Who's that? Guys, don't you know who that is? We don't know. Well... Guys, that's Shadow! Shadow the Hedgehog! You know, the one that I remember I saw that episode? He's been fighting with Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, yes, I know that! Oh, man! Oh, no, Shadow!
Shadow, what do you want?
Yeah, what do you want? Nothing. Wait a minute. Is that a princess behind you?
Yes, I'm a princess.
Yeah, she is. Who are you two? We're trolls. I'm Branch.
And I'm Poppy.
Well, whatever then. Well, what do you want from us, Shadow? What are you gonna do? What the? Where'd you go?
Freddy, you okay?
Man, I forgot that he glitched. I didn't know he can glitch. You said it about that. What are you gonna do? I'm just here for... Kidnap you guys! Ah! Everybody, scatter! Ah! I don't... Michael! Ah! One more!
Emily!
Oh no! No, mess up with it! What the?
France?
Hey, you know the... Your last one! Hey, not so fast! You're coming with me.
No, please!
You're gonna come with me to this place that no one can knows, but everybody will find a map to find you. Shut up! You can't do this! Oh, already have. Let's go.
Oh my god, a shadow! He took them! Oh no! Poppy's crown! She left it! I gotta tell... Sonic! Sonic!
Sorry we're late! We're back of the... van? Guys, where are they? Hey, where'd they go?
Did they just left already? Without showing them a prize?
Yeah.
Without it? Sonic! Sonic!
Huh?
Sonic! Ah!
Watch it, Roxy. Can you calm down?
Sonic! Is that a big problem about that? Wait a minute. Is that Princess Poppy's crown? Yes, but there's one big problem I forgot to tell you. There is big problem.
What's going on?
What happened to the Rangers? Well, you see, it's Shadow.
Shadow?
Shadow!
He's back, but I thought he was...
I know, this is a big problem. He kidnapped your friends. The others. He kidnapped the others.
The Rangers, they've been kidnapped.
Oh no! No way! No, that can't be good!
No! Megan!
Really?
Nothing.
Don't even joke. Anyways, what happened? Where did he take them? Well, he just taken some kinds of place that you guys need to found.
Man.
Sonic! We could go and find them.
Tails, listen. We need to ask. Alright. If we can help them, well, I meant, if we can find them, then we could stop Shadow. Stop.
But you know he can always glitch.
Yeah, I know, but I know this is my fight to stop him.
But we'll count on you. All of us, right guys? Yeah!
Well, alright then, guys. We will. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's do it.
Okay! Let's go and save them!
Alright. Let's go.
There goes my hear about it. I'm just kidding about that. Let's go. Yeah, come on! No, too fast about that! Wow, I didn't know she could do that.
Yeah. I'm coming, Megan. Knuckles. Oh, yeah. I'm coming, Rangers.
Well, I guess we can just stay. Why did you come with us?
Me?
But that's gonna be very dangerous.
Okay, well, don't worry. We'll help. I know it's dangerous, but let's go.
Alright then. Okay, let's do it. Roxy! Coming, guys. Oh yeah, to be continued. Hope.